46-year-old Andrea Falgu wanted a facelift, but she didn't want 3 weeks of painful recovery, so she's getting a mini lift. Unlike a full surgery, Dr. Scott Wells will only work on the lower half of her face and her eyelids. That takes lots fewer incisions,
allowing patients to recover faster and achieve very good rejuvenative results with less surgery and less recuperation.
I was going in to enhance what I had and take away the aging process.
For people who want to skip surgery altogether, there's an even faster way to get a new look, a laser facelift. Here's 52-year-old Uliana Salerno before her laser lift.
I didn't want to do anything aggressive, and that required a lot of downtime, because I have my own business.
The active FX laser delivers targeted energy into the skin. Patients are back on their feet in no time, looking a little sunburned for a few days. Uliana also had her eyelids done. 2 weeks later, here's the before and the after. The laser's heat produces collagen that tightens the skin.
We can completely rejuvenate a patient in under a week and, more importantly, get them a very natural rejuvenation.
39-year-old Therese Lynn Kurtzer wanted to rejuvenate and refresh her look. She says her eyes were in desperate need of a pick-me-up, but given her hectic schedule, she was concerned that plastic surgery would set her back.
I'm a flight attendant and I have 3 small children, so I can't afford to be laying in bed for a week.
Doctors determined that Therese was a candidate for cosmetic eye surgery, and in an effort to help her recuperate more quickly, the new Diamond Laser Scalpel was used during the procedure.
The real advantage for a patient is that the recuperation, the diminished bruising and diminished swelling allows a patient really to go back to work almost immediately. We take the sutures out at 4 days, and most patients are walking around and nobody really knows they even had surgery.
Plastic surgeon Dr. Scott Wells uses a diamond blade and CO2 laser energy to cut and instantly coagulate blood vessels during surgery.
We can save time by making a very sharp, instantaneous cut and not having to deal with the bleeding that slows us down during the operative time. And more importantly, we get such a clean cut that the healing is really much quicker than would be expected with a traditional scalpel technique.
Laser energy is directed through the diamond blade, which is 40 times sharper than a steel scalpel. The diamond is the only substance known that can maintain cold contact surface while effectively transmitting laser energy.
Traditional scalpels are honed like a regular knife. It's actually a serrated tooth-like edge, and this creates some tissue damage and drag as it is drawn through the tissue. Because diamonds are so dense, they can be honed 40 times sharper, and the edge is a perfect edge. There's no serrations, and it actually dances between the cells as opposed to tearing through them on a microscopic level.
Therese says she couldn't be happier with her results.
I notice when I wake up in the morning that I don't look as tired. You know, I just feel like I look a little fresher.
I'm Dr. Mike Rosen.
And for more information on this and other health stories, please go to our website, cw11.com/drmike.